How to find Pizza Hut promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Pizza Hut promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Pizza Hut. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Pizza Hut. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, $50 off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Pizza Hut. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Or you type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Pizza Hut. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide a working coupon code for Pizza Hut. So this way you can easily find Pizza Hut promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.